Performing tea budding. To perform this budding technique, you will need the following tools and materials: budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock, and another rootstock with a healthy bud. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This usually found around the middle part of the stem where the green and brown bark meet. Select a healthy bud stick from one of the rootstock. Cut the bud and remove it from the rootstock. In the other rootstock, make in T-shaped slit around the active grow part. Stripe the bark open and space the budstick into slit. Secure the budstick in place using the bark flaps. Tie the union. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the bud starts to swell. To avoid water from coming in contact with the union,